Hey there, welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Not sure where your files go or how to find them on your Windows 11 PC? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to use File Explorer step by step. Let's dive right in. File Explorer is the tool that helps you browse through folders, open files, and keep everything organized on your computer. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet, but way easier to manage. To open File Explorer, click the yellow folder icon on your taskbar or press Windows key E on your keyboard. At the top, you'll see a quick access bar. Below that, there's a navigation panel on the left and your files/folders on the right. Quick access. This shows your most used folders and recent files. It's the default view when you open File Explorer. This PC. Clicking this PC shows all your folders like documents, downloads, pictures, and also your hard drive and any USB drives. Network, optional. If your computer is part of a network, this is where shared files and printers can show up. Double-click a folder to open it. To move a file, drag and drop it into another folder. To delete a file, right-click and choose Delete. Don't worry, it goes to the recycle bin first. That's it. Now you know how to navigate File Explorer in Windows 11. It's one of the most useful tools on your PC once you get the hang of it. Next video, how to change your wallpaper and personalize your desktop. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.